So here's the weekly overview of what we're going to be doing in Math Success 1 this week. On Wednesday, we're going to be taking a look at the square root property in chapter 11, I think it's 11.1. We're going to look at the square root property and find out how to solve equations that you can set up as a perfect square that equals a number. Then on Thursday, we're going to take a look at some quadratic equations that can't be factored and that we cannot use the square root property on. And so we're going to look at some of those and figure out how to actually solve them by using a process called completing the square. And then Friday, you have off on Friday. We have no lessons scheduled for Friday. So your last homework for this week will be due Friday by 4 p.m., but you will not have any homework due until next Tuesday, the following Tuesday at 4 p.m. Okay, so we only have 2 lessons this week, Wednesday and Thursday.